Hi, how are you doing? I'm Gregory Burrowes from Butcher Block. At Butcher Block, not only do we provide you with the gourmet steaks and gourmet meats for your meal at home, we give you recipes and tips. And today we're actually going to do some of those in-house right here in my own kitchen. Even though we're in COVID times, does not mean you cannot have restaurant-style food and quality at home. We are preparing same quality, actually better quality than restaurant food in your own home. We are cooking salmon fillet, Atlantic salmon fillet that I have seasoned up with my salmon seasoning and some lime and olive oil. We're going to put it in the oven at 350 for 18 to 22 minutes. I'm using a cast iron pot that we also have to give it a nice crispy skin. Whereas my phone, I work off a time. So I'm going to set my timer to 18 minutes and that should be ready. So before we put the salmon in the oven, we had actually preheat the oven at 350 on bake. The portion of the salmon we're using this evening is the tail end of the salmon, and it's approximately $2,500 for the portion we're using. For $2,500, you can have a gourmet piece of salmon. It's probably better than any salmon in any restaurant because it's a higher quality and higher grade.
That's how we do our salmon. Tell us how you prepare yours in the comment section below.